Hey ladies and gentlemen, Paul Salter here. Thank you so much for watching and joining me today, because in this video, I'm going to share with you the number one reason that successful weight maintenance is so darn hard. And seriously, this is why 95% of the population has been unable to maintain significant weight loss for more than 12 months. But luckily for you, by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what the number one reason is that makes weight maintenance so darn hard, and you're also going to learn why the companies, brands, coaches, or plans that you've used in the past have ultimately set you up to continue riding that vicious yo-yo dieting cycle. And I'm happy to share with you that this is the same information that I've used to spark positive, successful weight regain prevention change in hundreds of my one-on-one nutrition coaching clients. And it's actually a concept that serves as a foundational pillar in my uber successful course, Weight Maintenance Mastery. So come on, let's dive right in. But first, remember, if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you click that button and ring the little bell in the top of your screen so you are notified when I release a brand new video every Tuesday. Have you ever noticed how diets are often presented in bite-sized, very specific chunks of time? Think 30-day cleanse, 90-day challenge, or my most favorite and popular, the 12-week transformation. And the point is to simply provide you with a digestible, you see what I did there, timeline. Basically it's not forever, that you believe that you can commit to. And these diets, in the meantime, often have harsh restrictions or limiting guidelines, but ultimately convince you that you can and will do anything for the short period of time. And in most cases, these companies, coaches, and brands, well, they're absolutely right. You can give up sweets for 90 days. You can stop drinking for 12 weeks. And you can eliminate added sugars for 30 days. But what's the plan after? What's the plan for day 91? What about day 92? Day 102? Day 365? Can you really give up wine for good, your weekly date night with your significant other, or attending social occasions with friends and coworkers regularly for the rest of the foreseeable future? Yeah, I didn't think so either. So what you've entered into is an unsustainable approach to eating, basically an unsustainable lifestyle that is founded on short-term thinking, which ultimately leads to short-term results. And as you navigate day 91, and well beyond, the bulk of your life, well, you're going to encounter a barrage of challenges, frustrations, and out of comfort zone experiences that ultimately will put your wits to testing and, more often than not, make you fall back onto your old habits of eating. And naturally, like you do in any other stressful situation, you're gonna gravitate towards what you know best. And in this case, what you know best is a pattern of poor eating choices and a poor relationship with the scale and food. And likely, even though day 0 to day 90 were a smashing success, well, by day 130 or maybe even day 150, it's likely that you will weigh close to the same thing you weighed on day 0. And by day 300, well, you may even weigh more than what you did on day 0. So I'd love to ask you, have you ever experienced rapid weight regain shortly after a diet? Let me know by putting a comment in the section below this video. Yup, It's really that simple. Mind-blowing, I know. The problem you're up against is that fad diets and weight loss plans you're familiar with don't think twice about helping you beyond the scope of their 30 or 90-day plan. But the truth is, you may need even more structure, support, education, coaching, inspiration, and accountability during day 91 and beyond if you want to be successful maintaining your weight loss for good. You need a blueprint that details how to best begin adding more food to your plate during the next few months after a diet. You need further education to understand how and why your body is primed for rapid weight regain after ending a diet and what you can do and should do to prevent this. You need to know what emotional and physical challenges to expect the first few weeks and months and strategies to help you best manage and overcome them. You need emotional and reliable support from women going through or who have gone through the same experience, challenges, and frustrations as you. And you need to be reassured that it's okay to make a mistake and that perfection is not the goal. Fortunately for you, you've discovered this channel and hopefully you've already begun exploring all of the free content in my weight maintenance educational library as well as the articles on the blog. And if you haven't dove in head first to Weight Maintenance Mastery, the course that has changed countless women's lives to date, well, I don't know what you're waiting for, so I'll put a little card up on the screen so you can check that out. Now that you're aware of the #1 reason weight maintenance is so hard, it's time to get more specific on actionable strategies that you can implement today to continue navigating a successful long-term weight maintenance phase. And I filmed a short video that talks about the biggest mental hurdle you need to overcome in order to prevent weight regain. And that hurdle is overcoming your all or nothing mentality. And remember, to help further and better prepare you for preventing weight regain for good, make sure you check out the list of several educational resources I've included below this video. Make sure you review them all, and also a friendly reminder to subscribe to this channel. And if I had to give you two of my best recommendations, I would highly encourage you to check out the Screw the Scale podcast, as well as the life-changing course, Weight Maintenance Mastery. What was your biggest takeaway from this video? I would love to know, so make sure you leave a comment in the section right below this video. And if you enjoyed what you just listened to, please give it a like or a big thumbs up, and make sure that you share it with a friend, family member, loved one, or colleague who would also benefit from strategies related to preventing weight regain for good. And of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you are notified each and every Tuesday when I release a brand new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.